She gave me a hard time too.
Get that hat on.
Okay, we're gonna learn to march.
Oh, boy.
First thing, learn how to march in the army of God.
No comments from the peanut gallery up there.
He's enjoying
Okay,
it.
better pay attention, because you might get into some trouble you don't want to be in, okay? When I address you and you answer me, respond, it's yes ma'am, no ma'am.
I thought it was
Got
your
you?
sergeant.
I am troublemakers. Yes.
Speaking out of turn.
She's gonna look real
I've never seen this side of Miss Maryland.
Okay, we're gonna stand straight in the straight line. In a straight line, side to side, shoulder to shoulder.
That should have been done like 5 minutes ago.